At one point, my mom hated the sound so much. You know when you like walk by a kid and he's playing a game on an iPad and you're like, God damn, that's annoying. Turn that shit off. Or like any phone makes a sound. You're like, oh, that's how I am anyway. Any noise on a phone, I'm like, are you serious? Turn it off. Are you 7? A kid on an airplane. He like was on an iPad and it was loud. And I was like, oh my God, this is going to be the whole flight. And the stewardess came by and was like, no noise. I was like, oh, I love you. My mom got so mad at the Bop It sounds that we had to tape styrofoam around the speaker on the Bop It. So if you walk, dude, that's crazy. Like if you walked in my house, you'd see a Bop It on the ground with styrofoam around it. And the people are probably like, what the fuck? And it's too loud, bro. My mom will like literally blow our heads off. Bop It.